Hey there, fellow developers. Welcome to the very first episode of an epic journey we're about to embark on together. I'm Brandon, your guide through the wonderful world of Flutter, and this is Flutt Sky, your gateway to mastering one of the most exciting frameworks in app development. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I've been knee-deep in the tech world for as long as I can remember. From coding late into the night to brainstorming innovative app ideas over countless cups of coffee, technology has always been my passion. And when I stumbled upon Flutter, it was like finding a hidden treasure trove of endless possibilities. Flutter isn't just a framework to me, it's a revolution in app development, and I'm thrilled to be your companion on this journey. Now, let's talk about Flutter. For those of you who might be new to this, Flutter is Google's open-source UI software development kit that allows you to craft stunning, natively compiled applications for mobile, web, and desktop from a single codebase. Yes, you heard that right, a single codebase for multiple platforms. It's like having a superpower in your hands as a developer. Flutter's beauty lies in its simplicity and efficiency. With its rich set of customizable widgets, expressive UI, and fast development cycles, Flutter empowers developers to build beautiful, high-performance apps in record time. And the best part? Flutter isn't limited to just one platform. Whether you're targeting iOS, Android, web, or desktop, Flutter has got you covered. It's a game changer in the world of app development, and I can't wait to show you everything it has to offer. So, what exactly will we learn in this complete course? Well, my friends, I'm glad you asked. This course is designed to take you from Flutter novice to expert, covering everything from the basics to advanced techniques. We'll start with the fundamentals, understanding Flutter widgets, building layouts, handling user input, and gradually work our way up to more complex topics like state management, animations, and beyond. Each lesson will be carefully crafted to provide you with a solid understanding of Flutter concepts, accompanied by hands-on coding exercises and real-world examples. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills and confidence to tackle any Flutter project with ease, whether it's building a simple Toto app or a sophisticated e-commerce platform. So, get ready to level up your Flutter game and unlock your full potential as a developer. But wait, who is this course for? The beauty of Flutter is that it's for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned developer looking to expand your skill set, a student eager to dive into the world of app development, or someone with a killer app idea itching to bring it to life, this course is for you. All you need is a passion for learning and a willingness to dive headfirst into the world of Flutter. Whether you're brand new to programming or an experienced coder looking to add a powerful tool to your arsenal, you'll find value in this course. And don't worry if you've never touched Flutter before, I'll be here to guide you every step of the way. Together, we'll unravel the mysteries of Flutter, conquer its challenges, and emerge as confident, proficient developers ready to take on the world. So, buckle up, my friends, because we're about to embark on an exhilarating journey filled with learning, discovery, and, of course, lots of Flutter magic. Get ready to unleash your creativity, build incredible apps, and join me on this adventure as we soar through the skies of Flutter together. Stay tuned for the next episode, where we'll dive into the basics of Flutter development. Until then, keep coding, keep dreaming, and I'll see you in the next video.